now on our way to Ancient City and Erawan Museum. Mag-MTR lang kami. Ito yung ticket nila. Parang token lang. Here na kami sa may Quezas Station. Alamig, parang Tagaytay yung hangin dito. Or baka it's too early pa kasi. Hindi ko in-expect na malamig siya. Book na kami ng ticket via Klook. Can use my code Riva Morales Klook for discount. We get our free lunch here. So available yung mga food sa labas. Nasa boat, kasama rin siya. This will be our last stop here sa Ancient City. Ito yung pinakasikat na photo area. What's this one? I think we're done now with the Ancient City. Super laki ng Ancient City pero I think okay na kami sa mga napuntahan namin. We're now here sa Erawan Museum. Nag-bolt na lang kami going here kasi pagod na rin. And also for their thing. Maglalakad na kami going to the BTS line. Pabalik ng hotel. To freshen up, rest for a while, tapos labas ulit. Meron kami nakitang coffee shop along the way. Thank you. Kapag na. We're now here sa John Fair. I got mopeng. It's their famous grilled pork, I think, here in Thailand. I got this for 3 for 100 baht. Pero may nakita akong may nakita akong 15 baht each. Nakakainin. Longan juice. We also ordered salted egg pad thai. We're now gonna transfer to One Ratchada. Maglalakad lang kami going there. Saan mabibili here sa One Ratchada? Maybe because it's a Friday and mali kami ng araw na pinuntahan to.